Daddy is going to do science for you.
Right, guys, thank you very much. Okay, today's lesson is investigate the period of a simple pendulum. So you might have done this with Miss Vokla before. A simple pendulum is just, here's a pendulum bob, and it goes all the way up, down, and back, like this diagram here. Okay, so it starts at Q, I release it, it goes all over to P, and back to Q. That's one oscillation. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to count how long it takes for this to happen 20 times, and from there we'll be able to find out how long it takes for one pendulum, because otherwise it's very hard to do one pendulum. Okay, this is our diagram. Here's my retort stand, but you know at this stage, here's my retort stand here. Okay, here's my string, and down at the bottom is a pendulum bob. Okay, over here is my stop clock, and my ruler is here. Okay, so it's a very simple experiment. You can all do it at home if you want. All you do need is just like the provast, the string, and something to hold it onto, and that's all you pretty much need. As you can see, I'm holding it up here with some jigsaws, and you can do that yourself, or you can follow my one. Okay, so what you will do first is measure the pendulum bob to 50 centimeters in the clamp. Do the experiment. You let go. It oscillates for 20. For how many 20 oscillations take. Then you do it again for 40 centimeters, 30 centimeters, and 20 centimeters. So what you're doing is you're counting how long it takes for it to go this way, that's 1. Okay, that's 2, that's 3. And you'll see in a few seconds, okay? So at the moment, I've measured this to 50 centimeters. Okay, so down here, it's 50 centimeters. So we're good for the first part. So I have my clock over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to release the bob from here. Now, because I can only do one hand, I'm going to release it, let it go all the way over to the left hand side, and then back. And when it comes back to this point again, I'm going to start the clock, and that's when we start counting. Okay, I just need to move this just in case. Okay, so you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so it took about 29 seconds. Okay, 29 seconds to do 20. So 20 oscillations took 29 seconds. So you're making up a nice table like this. Here's my nice table. Here's 50 centimeters. Okay, I made a small note saying make the table bigger because it's a very small table. So up here, that's time for oscillations. So how long does it take for 20 oscillations? From here, find the period, and the period is a time for one oscillation. So it's time per length over 20. So the time for each length divided by 20. Then when I find a period, how long it took to make one oscillation, as in to go from Q to P and back to Q, that's one oscillation, I'll go into the last column number 3. And that's all, everything squared. And that is whatever the period is in this row, you square it. And squaring it is just very easy. It's like 2 squared equals 4, 3 squared equals 9, 4 squared equals 16, 5 squared equals 25, etc., etc. So there are the columns. I'll make a photograph later on so you can see it all, okay? So, I made one here. I did it earlier on today. And today, when I did it 2 times, and it got to 28.76 and 28.83. This one was 29.23, because I had to let it go first, and it was swinging by itself. So I used the value 28.76. So 28.76 divided by 20 is 1.44 seconds. So it took 1.44 seconds to make one oscillation. Once again, to go from here, there, and back. 1.44 seconds. From here, I square it. So it's 1.44 squared equals 2.07. Or you can just do 1.44 times 1.44. So I want you to do the same. So that's that part, okay? So then, come over here. I'm going to do for 40 centimeters. So earlier on today, I planned on this. So I made small little markings on the rope. I bring it up. 40 centimeters, that's about right. I tighten it. I'm going to do the same thing again. Okay, so I bring it over here. I must tidy this up a small bit. Take that out of the way so it's not going to be in the way. Okay, so once again, I'm going to let it go here. When it comes back to this position, I'm going to start the clock, so I better reset it. Okay, so you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, stop it. It's about 26.9, okay? 26.9, there. So 20 oscillations at a shorter length. Was a bit quicker. It's 26 point, what did I say? 26.95. So 26.95. I did it earlier as well. I don't know why I'm even doing this. I should have done it. I shouldn't take this off. I used this one. Okay, cool. So it works out exactly the same pretty much. So 26.30 and it's 26.95. So it's looking good so far. Okay, so what I want you to do is, this will be your homework. 26.3 inside here, divided by 20 to get your answer. Whatever the answer is, you will square it and you put your squared number inside here. Now I'm going on to the next one, just 30 centimeters. And 30 centimeters will be, if I can get it going here quickly, it's kind of stuck this side. Up to the next orange one. There, here. So in the background you can hear my kids and you can see my wife reading over there, okay? So I reset my phone. Okay, there. Okay, so here we go again. I'm gonna let it go. When it comes back to space, I'll start the clock, okay? This is at 30 centimeters length. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, it's about 22.9. Okay, I did it earlier on. It's like scratch numbers. It's like, see if it's the same one. Oh, come off. Okay, I had 23.21 last time, so it's about the same time again. But it's very, very similar. Okay, as you can see, that the shorter the length of the provost, the twine, the quicker the oscillations are. So what I want you to do is take this number, 22.21, into this column, divide by 20 to find out how long it took for one oscillation. Q to P back this way per second. When you find that, you want to square it. And square it means you multiply it by itself. Then you want to the last one, which is 20 centimeters. Okay, so over here again, over 20 centimeters. So you have the markings again. Oh no, I didn't mark the last one. Okay, 20 centimeters. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Okay, I'm very annoyed at myself with this one. I'm not gonna start again. I just have to do it quickly here. Oh no, this is a disaster, guys. 20 centimeters is about there. So I'm about right. Okay, cool. 20 centimeters. So we'll do it one more time. Put my clock over. Hope this is all okay for you. Very amateurish, but it's okay. Amateur hour. Here's my clock. Here's the pendulum. Okay, you can't really see there's a shine on it, so you can only see it. Okay, anyway, you ready? When I come back to here, I'll start again. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I have about 19 point. It was 19 point something. Why didn't it stop? It was luck. You have to believe me on this one. I don't have the value there because I didn't press stop quick enough. But it was 18.55 the last time I did it 2 times. Okay, so I want you to take 18.55, this number.